This bracket broke. I'll show you how to fix it stronger than it was before. This bracket holds a transmission and a motor together for a lawnmower. There's a reason it broke. I'll find an old piece of metal I can cut up. We'll reshape this steel so we can put it on the top of the bracket. We'll flatten this out. Now we've got to pound it out to the close shape of it. We'll start cutting it down to the right shape. We'll just keep cutting it down until it fits. I'll mark the shape on the steel. A sawzall will make quick work of it. Now I've got everything rough cut. We'll clean it up on the grinder. We'll reinforce the bracket with this piece of steel. Now it's fitting on there pretty nice. Clean everything up. We'll grind down the broken part so we can put weld in it. I ground everything back a little bit so the weld will just go right in that crevice. Cleaned it up with rubbing alcohol. We'll clamp everything together. We'll weld it with this Harbor Freight MIG welder. Not the prettiest weld, but very functional. We'll drill out the hole, deburr it. With everything degreased, we'll paint it. Ready to go back onto the tractor.